Hello everyone, thanks for joining us for the 2024 Summer Enrollment presentation. During the presentation, we'll talk about your summer enrollment basics, such as what you can do during summer enrollment and when changes go into effect. We will also discuss your benefit options like health, prescriptions, and optional add-on benefits such as dental and vision. Then we'll let you know how to make summer enrollment changes. Finally, we'll point you to the resources available to you during this summer enrollment period. Throughout today's presentation, I'll refer to the Active Employee Summer Enrollment Guide and provide you with page numbers where you can find more information about what we're discussing. If you receive the Retirees and Family Summer Enrollment Guide, your page numbers will differ, but the information is still the same. Summer enrollment is your chance to make benefit changes without a qualifying life event. During summer enrollment, you can enroll in a benefit you don't currently have. Some optional coverage requires evidence of insurability, EOI, and acceptance is not guaranteed. We'll discuss those benefit options a little later in the presentation. You can switch from a plan you currently have to another plan or end enrollment in a benefit, and add or drop dependents. Summer enrollment elections are effective September the 1st. Any changes that do not require EOI begin on September 1st. Just like in previous years, summer enrollment is broken up into 4 phases. This helps to keep things running as efficiently as possible for you during a very busy time of year for ERS. Please make your changes during your summer enrollment phase. The quickest and easiest way to make changes is by logging into your ERS online account. You may be asking yourself, how do I know what phase I'm in? Or what options do I have? Well, every year before your summer enrollment phase, ERS mails you your Personal Benefits Enrollment Statement, PBES. It is important that you read this document. The front of your PBES details the dates your summer enrollment phase starts and ends, coverage you are enrolled in, including up to 3 of your dependents enrolled in coverage, and monthly cost of your current coverage effective September 1st. If you have more than 3 dependents enrolled in coverage and do not see the dependents in your PBES, you can log into your ERS online account to verify their coverage. The other pages of your PBES will provide you with all the options available to you. If you want to make changes, please make them during your assigned phase. You can log into your ERS online account or ask your benefits coordinator to make changes on your behalf. If you don't need to add dependents or make changes to the current coverage shown on the front of your PBES, you don't need to do anything. Your coverage remains the same. Be sure to take a look at your total monthly cost effective September the 1st. Any changes to premiums that are effective on September 1st will come out of your October paycheck because state employees are paid in arrears. It's important to know your options. The Summer Enrollment Guide mailed to you with your PBES provides you with information about the benefits available to you. For a more in-depth look at your optional benefits, please watch the Know Your Optional Benefits presentation. The presentation can be found on our summer enrollment page and the ERS YouTube channel. It is also available for download. Today, we'll give you an overview of the benefits that are available to you. If you have already completed the Dependent Child Certification process, Dependent Eligibility Verification, or the tobacco use certification for yourself and the dependents currently enrolled, you don't have to complete it again. If you enroll a new dependent in coverage during summer enrollment, you'll need to complete a few extra steps. If you enroll new dependent children in any GBP coverage during summer enrollment, you'll need to complete the Dependent Child Certification. You won't be able to enroll your dependent children until this certification is complete. The Dependent Eligibility Verification is separate from the Dependent Child Certification. This process must be completed if you enroll a new dependent in health insurance coverage. Once ERS processes your dependent's enrollment in health coverage, Alight Solutions, our third-party administrator, will send you a letter outlining the steps in the verification process, the names of the dependents being verified, the types of documents to provide, and the due date to submit the documentation. You must respond to the letter or your dependents will be dropped from all coverage. All GBP health insurance plan participants must also certify their status as tobacco users or non-users, whether you use it or not. If you don't certify your tobacco use status, the system automatically defaults your status and the status of your enrolled dependents to yes, and you'll be charged the applicable monthly tobacco user premium, even if you don't use tobacco products. See page 4 of the Active Employee Summer Enrollment Guide for more information. Let's talk about your health insurance options. You can enroll in Health Select of Texas or Consumer Directed Health Select, regardless of where you live or work. Pages 5 through 8 of your Summer Enrollment Guide has more information about the health plans and prescription drug coverage. The health plans comparison chart details the difference in coverage for each plan. Do you already have health insurance? You have the option to waive your health insurance or elect the health insurance opt-out credit. Keep in mind that your prescription drug benefit and basic term life insurance are a part of your health benefit. By waiving coverage, you are also giving up your prescription drug and basic term life insurance coverage. The opt-out credit works differently than waiving your health insurance. The opt-out credit is designed for employees and retirees who don't require the state's health insurance because they are enrolled in other health insurance that is as good as or better than what the state provides, excluding Medicare coverage. If you elect the opt-out credit, you waive your health, prescription, and basic term life insurance coverage and receive a credit of up to $60, $30 for part-time employees, towards dental coverage, state of Texas vision, and or voluntary accidental death and dismemberment, AD&D. You do not receive the remaining balance if you do not use the full amount. You cannot participate in the opt-out credit if you are not eligible for the state contribution towards your health insurance premium, such as a COBRA participant, surviving family member, or an adjunct faculty member. The Health Select of Texas and Consumer Directed Health Select health plans total annual in-network out-of-pocket maximums, medical and pharmacy combined, will increase to $8,050 per individual. This is up from $7,500 and $16,100 per family, up from $15,100 to align with the IRS maximums. In addition, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Texas will have 3 new condition management programs starting September 1st, Hello Heart, Hinge Health, and Learn to Live. This fall, ERS will launch Buen Vita, a new well-being platform for Health Select plan participants. The application, available for both mobile and desktop devices, connects you to all your health benefits in one convenient place. It offers individualized content for physical, mental, and financial health. You'll be able to earn rewards for engaging in healthy activities, join individual, agency-level, and statewide fitness challenges, personalize the well-being resources to meet your needs, and also connect with other users of the platform. Learn more and receive wellness updates through the ERS Wellness newsletter by texting TXERS Wellness to 468-311 to subscribe or scan the QR code. You also have the option of enrolling in dental and or vision coverage. You must be enrolled to enroll eligible dependents. Dependents cannot be enrolled in a different dental plan than you, but they can have different primary care dentists. You can choose between one of 2 dental plans, State of Texas Dental Choice Plan or Delta Care USA DHMO. The State of Texas Dental Choice Plan is a preferred provider organization, PPO, dental insurance plan. Participants are not required to designate a primary care dentist or PCD and can see any dentist that takes PPO dental plans. Delta Care USA DHMO is a dental health maintenance organization, DHMO, insurance plan that requires designating and using a primary care dentist. You may also choose to enroll in State of Texas Vision. This plan is available to retirees and eligible dependents. If you are considering enrolling in one of these plans, we invite you to take a look at pages 9 through 11 of your Summer Enrollment Guide. Visit the ERS website for the dental and vision comparison charts and enroll in the dental and/or vision benefits Q&A session. If you missed the session, you can find a recording of the plan's presentation on the plan website. Website addresses are listed in the back of the Summer Enrollment Guide. TexFlex Flexible Spending Accounts. Do you have out-of-pocket healthcare and dependent care expenses? If so, you may want to consider enrolling in TexFlex. TexFlex is a tax savings program regulated by the IRS and available to active employees. It lets you set aside pre-tax money from your paycheck to use towards eligible out-of-pocket expenses and lowers your taxable income. With the TexFlex Healthcare FSA and Limited Purpose FSA, you can contribute an annual maximum of $3,200 per participant. Funds are available on a TexFlex debit card on September 1st. Healthcare FSAs can be used for eligible health, dental, vision, and prescription expenses. Limited Purpose FSAs are available only to members enrolled in the Consumer-Directed Health Select Plan and can be used only for eligible vision and dental expenses. The TexFlex Dependent Care FSA allows you to save up to $5,000 pre-tax annually for eligible dependent care expenses. However, the TexFlex debit card can't be used to pay for eligible dependent care expenses. Depending on your needs, you can enroll in one or more accounts. You do not need to enroll in a health plan or other coverage to enroll in an FSA. See page 12 of the Active Employee Summer Enrollment Guide to get information on what happens with your leftover TexFlex dollars. The IRS establishes the maximum carryover amounts and annual contribution limits for flexible spending accounts. For plan year 2025, starting September 1st, 2024, these amounts have increased for the healthcare and limited purpose FSAs. You will need to update your contribution amount to take advantage of the additional tax savings. This year, the maximum contribution for the healthcare and limited purpose FSA will increase by $150 to $3,200. The carryover maximum is also increasing to $640. The maximum contribution for the dependent care FSA remains the same at $5,000 a year per household. Dependent care FSA does not allow carryover but has a grace period to spend any remaining funds through November the 15th. Right now is the time to think about disability insurance if you're not already enrolled in it. Many U.S. workers don't have enough savings to cover 6 months of living expenses, and many don't have any money saved to replace lost income. It's important to be prepared for these unforeseen circumstances. So, consider enrolling in disability insurance through the Texas Income Protection Plan. Tip: short-term and/or long-term disability coverage through TIP is a benefit for active employees, and it pays you a portion of your salary when you can't work due to injury or sickness. Short-term disability insurance coverage provides a maximum benefit of 66% of your monthly salary, up to $10,000 of monthly salary, or $6,600, whichever is less, for up to 166 days. Long-term disability insurance coverage provides a maximum benefit of 60% of your monthly salary, up to $10,000 of monthly salary, or $6,000, whichever is less, for a period ranging from 12 months to full Social Security retirement age, depending on your age at the time of disability. It's important to know that this is not health insurance. This income protection benefit provides income to eligible participants who cannot work due to a qualifying event. You will need to submit EOI and be approved before you can enroll in this plan. EOI approval is not guaranteed. See pages 14 through 15 of the Active Employee Summer Enrollment Guide. The waiting period required by the short-term disability plan will reduce from 30 calendar days to 14 calendar days. This means you can begin receiving disability coverage sooner, but you will still need to exhaust your sick leave, if any, before your coverage begins. This is a great benefit for those with limited sick leave. The new benefit period is increasing from 150 days to 166 days. How does TIP work with the state agency's paid parental leave? TIP benefits and paid parental leave for state agency employees, not higher education institution employees, will coordinate to provide supplemental coverage for eligible maternity claims. Paid parental leave for state agency employees pays 40 days of leave for parents of newborn or newly adopted children. Paid days are based on the employee's work schedule and not calendar days. TIP coverage for an eligible maternity claim begins for a covered mother once she completes the waiting period and/or exhausts her sick leave. TIP coverage will not apply if sick leave is more than the maximum benefit period. However, a covered new mother who gave birth and is eligible for state agency paid parental leave does not have to exhaust paid parental leave to start getting TIP benefits. Note: ERS does not administer paid parental leave. To learn if you are eligible for paid parental leave, talk to your agency's benefits coordinator. You should review the plan changes and how they may impact your individual situation, such as if you are considering pregnancy or have limited sick leave. Review pages 14 through 15 of the Summer Enrollment Active Employee Guide. The next optional benefit we're going to discuss is life insurance. Remember, your health insurance policy includes a basic term life insurance policy. Retirees is a $2,500 policy, and active employees is $5,000. Optional term life insurance options are different for employees and retirees. If you're an active employee, you have 4 coverage level options. Election 1, the coverage amount is equal to your annual salary. Election 2, 2 times your annual salary. Election 3, 3 times your annual salary, or Election 4, 4 times your annual salary. If you enroll in or increase your optional term life insurance, you will need to initiate the Evidence of Insurability, EOI, process online and complete the EOI application. We'll talk more about the EOI process in just a moment. Retirees not currently enrolled in optional term life insurance can apply for the retiree $10,000 fixed optional life insurance through the EOI process. This benefit isn't available to active employees. Dependent term life insurance is an option available for both employees and retirees. This benefit pays you in the event your dependent passes away. EOI is required and must be approved for this coverage. If you have dependents already enrolled in this coverage, you don't have to submit EOI. Their coverage would continue into the new plan year. See page 16 of the Summer Enrollment Guide. Another option you have is Voluntary AD and Insurance. This coverage provides additional protection for you and your family in the event of an accidental death or certain accidental injuries. Because this benefit is only paid if there's an accident, EOI is not required for this coverage. ERS is hosting benefits Q&A sessions online for all active employees and retirees. These sessions will include a brief presentation about each plan with plenty of time to ask questions. During the webinar, members can send questions through the questions feature to a plan representative. Sign up to take part in a benefits Q&A session with Health Select of Texas, Blue Cross and Blue Shield, Consumer Directed Health Select, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Texas, and Optum Bank, Health Select Prescription Drug Program, Express Scripts, Dental. Delta Dental will speak about both plans, State of Texas Vision, IMED, Texas Income Protection Plan, the short-term and long-term disability benefits, life and accidental death insurance by Securian, and TexFlex with Inspire Financial. How do you register? You can register to attend benefits Q&A sessions by visiting our website, ers.texas.gov. There will be a summer enrollment link at the top of our site. Click on the link to view the webinar calendar. The calendar lists all the Q&A sessions scheduled for each week of summer enrollment. Choose the Q&A session you want to attend and register with an email address. ERS will host morning and afternoon sessions to accommodate all who wish to join. All ERS and vendor slideshows are available on the summer enrollment site as well. In addition to our webinars, ERS benefits educators will be traveling across the state to state agencies and higher education institutions to provide information to members seeking to enroll in or change insurance coverage. Members also have the opportunity to visit with ERS benefits educators and GBP plan administrators in person to get answers to their benefits questions. You can find a complete fare schedule on page 19 of the Summer Enrollment Guide. When you decide on the changes you want to make, you can do it online, contact your benefits coordinator, or give us a call during your 2-week enrollment phase. Summer enrollment is a busy time of year. If you need to make changes to your coverage, the quickest and easiest way to make changes is by logging into your ERS account and make your summer enrollment elections online. It's fast. You will receive confirmation of your requested changes via email if your email address is on file. Otherwise, the confirmation is mailed to you. You want to keep this confirmation for your records. Visit ers.texas.gov to log into your account. The ERS website also has information on all the plans available to you and your dependents, including links to all of the plan administrators' websites. If you don't have access to your online account, please contact your agency's benefits coordinator to make changes on your behalf. If you don't have a benefits coordinator, call ERS toll-free at 866-399-6908. Summer enrollment is a busy time, so we extend our hours to Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time. Please note, ERS hold times can be long, especially during summer enrollment. If you need general information, you may want to refer to the ERS website, talk with your benefits coordinator, or call your plan's customer service number. If you have questions, there are several places you can look to find answers about your benefit options. Have you missed a Q&A session or ERS webinar? Maybe you forgot to attend or you just didn't have time in your schedule. You can visit our summer enrollment webpage at ers.texas.gov/active-employees/summer-enrollment-2024 and find links to view all of the planned presentations, including today's. We will have links to all of the Q&A presentations in video form and PDF form. You can watch this very presentation on the ERS YouTube channel. Are you looking to contact a specific plan to ask about coverage and your benefit options? You can find all of the contact information on page 17 of your Summer Enrollment Guide. You can also find links to each plan's webpage by visiting ers.texas.gov. Our homepage has links to all plan websites. Throughout the year, ERS offers different retirement and insurance webinars. These webinars give you general information on your retirement and your insurance benefits. You can view the ERS events calendar to register for a webinar that fits your needs. Your plan's website has recorded videos that explains the plan's benefits. Visit the plan's website for more information. We want to thank the ERS staff, program representatives, and our members for joining us today and making the summer enrollment successful.